Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I was doing a lot of traveling and this was one of the best things I purchased.
I love these bags so much. Going away can be super stressful, especially if you're an overpacker like me. So instead of carrying so many bags, this one, even though it's small and compact, it fits so many clothes in there. I could not believe how much it fit. It fit my clothes and my kids' clothes, and some of them were even dress clothes, so they were bulky. I even had to go back and get some more clothes because I didn't realize how much would fit in there. Once it's all zipped up, it is, like I said, very compact and small and convenient. This is perfect for if you are going to the airport.
So if you are flying, I would definitely recommend this product. It could fit right under the seat. A lot of airlines will accept this as a personal carry-on. It definitely saves you a headache and you can pack so much stuff in here. I would definitely recommend this product. It has so many different colors. It's just the possibilities are endless. Vacation, vacation, vacation. Woo! And that's my point of view.